to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. I am so happy you are here today hanging out with me because today I have a video that is going to shock you. I have a new eye cream favorite, and if you are familiar with my channel, you know that I have been using the same eye cream for the past 10 plus years. It is my holy grail. It is my favorite eye cream, and it's what has saved my 43-year-old under eyes as much as it has. So today I'm sharing with you a new favorite, something that has replaced the old. Shocking, I know. So before I give you guys the scoop, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you want your best skin, you came to the right place. I am Brianna Stanko. I have been in the medical grade skincare industry now for over 13 years. I started my career working with an amazing cosmetic doctor, and now I'm the founder of skintruth.com, where it is an entire website dedicated to bringing you all of the top brands of medical grade skincare products that are going to deliver you absolute results. And then I'm also the formulator and creator of Truology, which is my brand of skincare products as well. So let's dive in, you guys. Hit the subscribe button, hit the bell notification so you don't miss any future videos. Oh, and then pop on over to my Instagram, because join me over there. I'm on my Instagram every single day. I'm on my Instagram stories daily, giving you guys more skincare tips, product advice, new products. You guys see everything over there way quicker than you do over here. I give you guys skincare routines, you name it. Join me on Instagram if you can. And let's dive into today's video, you guys. This is my new holy grail favorite eye cream of life that you do not want to miss. Okay, are you guys ready to find out exactly what eye cream replaced my holy grail eye cream, which was the SkinCeuticals AGE Eye Complex? You guys know this has been my go-to eye cream for over 10 years because it truly is super anti-aging and does so much, but it's been replaced. And here is what has replaced it. Get ready, you guys. What my new favorite eye cream is, the new holy grail of eye creams, is right here. The new SkinCeuticals AGE Advanced Eye Complex. You guys, they took the most amazing formula and they made it even better. If you guys are not familiar with this eye cream, it is truly a game-changing eye cream. I would not have used an eye cream for over 10 years if I didn't see absolute, true, and amazing results. I get to test out every eye cream out there, everything that comes on the market, and this still, after 10 years, is my go-to eye cream. And this is it right here, the new SkinCeuticals AGE Advanced. This is the new formula. And I can tell you guys right away that it is the exact same consistency as the old formula. So I will go into all of that in a minute, but that is one question that I've got asked a lot, is the consistency, because everyone loves the original consistency. And if you're not familiar, the SkinCeuticals AGE Eye is the most sold eye cream. First of all, on Skin Truth, it is my most popular selling eye cream on Skin Truth, but in the entire skincare market, it is like a cult favorite. Everyone is obsessed with this eye cream. So let's dig into exactly what makes the new formula different from the old and why this is just my holy grail eye cream. So the new SkinCeuticals AGE Advanced Eye Complex tackles every single under eye concern. Every single thing you want to do to really kind of anti-age your under eye, it is in this formula. It is the best for crepiness. If you are starting to see crepiness under your eye or on your eyelids, because you can apply this all over the lids and the upper, orbital bone here, this is amazing. It tightens, it firms, it helps with crow's feet. It helps with darkness under your eyes. It helps with puffiness under your eyes. It creates a smoothness to the under eyes, and it actually helps with the tone and the texture under your eyes. It does everything all in one. But the reason that I am just so obsessed with this eye cream is because it completely firmed the under eye. You will notice a difference if you're switching from another eye cream and you start using the SkinCeuticals AGE. You are going to notice 100% difference in the firmness and the tightness of your under eye, because so many of us start to see crepiness around our entire eye because the eye area, the under eye skin is so delicate, so thin. There's not those oil glands under our eyes that are producing any moisture. So the under eyes are very susceptible to early and premature aging. It's one of the first areas of your entire face that you're going to start seeing aging. This completely tackles all aspects of aging, but you're going to really, really notice those tightening and those firming benefits of this. So let's talk about the differences between the two, the original and the new advanced eye, because the original is actually being discontinued. This is no longer going to be even in production for SkinCeuticals. It's going to be solely now just the SkinCeuticals, the AGE Advanced Eye Complex, which I mean, why would you go back? This one is so amazing. This formula is so freaking good. So the differences between the two. So a lot of you are already using the original AGE Eye Complex. So with the new AGE Advanced, what they did was they actually added more of the potency to their firming complex. So SkinCeuticals has this proxy lane technology, which is their firming, their tightening complex. And they took that from the original AGEI and they added more. So there's more percentage, more potency of that firming complex within this. They also added Matrixyl 3000, which is an amazing peptide for their anti-aging. They put that in a very potent amount into this formula as well. They also added caffeine, which is going to be even further beneficial for reducing darkness around the eyes, reducing puffiness around the eyes. And SkinCeuticals also took out all parabens in this formula. There was a few parabens that were used in the original, which parabens are used for, really keeping away bacteria, keeping mold, growth from happening in skincare products. But they did make this a more clean formulation. They took out all parabens. So everything's very clean. There's no fragrance in here. There's no dyes. It's a very clean formula now, which I appreciate. And I'm sure a lot of you guys do too. There's so much benefits to this eye cream. I'm telling you, the results are like none other. And it is still in that amazing balmy, creamy consistency that I swear by because I love a good balmy consistency. I like something that kind of like sinks in, deeply hydrates my under eyes, but also doesn't mess with like makeup or SPF if I want to wear it throughout the day too. I'm not a big fan of like serum-y or like more like light liquidy type of eye creams because I feel like they just don't like absorb well and they don't like dry into my skin enough for like daytime use. This is good for daytime use, nighttime use. It's just so hydrating to the under eyes. You are going to notice immediately everything is just kind of like smooth and just feel firm and tight because it's just so plumping and hydrating too. But at the same time, it is actually creating real change within your skin. I will give you guys some stats on this eye cream too, because the stats on this eye cream are legit. All right, so I pulled it up here. The stats on the new SkinCeuticals AGE Advanced Eye Cream. They're seeing a 18% improvement in crow's feet after 8 weeks. 18% is a lot, so it really does help to reduce the crow's feet lines. On top of that, people are seeing a 23.6% improvement on the under eye wrinkles. That is huge. That is a very large amount of reduction in those under eye wrinkles after 8 weeks. And then on top of that, 24% of people have seen an improvement in puffiness and dark circles after 8 weeks. 24% reduction. That is huge again. This is a game changer eye cream. And again, is the new advanced formula of my beloved, most holy grail eye cream of all time. And they've taken that formula and they've made it even better. I don't know how they can do that. I don't know how that's possible, but they really did. And I'm obsessed with this new formula. Again, I use this every single night. I use this a lot of times during the day too, but I do have another eye cream that I'm really, really loving for the daytime too. So I'm kind of like loving that during the day. And then this is just my nighttime, like holy grail. I coat my under eyes, coat my lid, my upper brow bone, all around with this eye cream, and you will see such a difference. My new holy grail eye cream right here. I wanted to see what you guys would say. You guys were going to be like, oh my gosh, she found a new eye cream. No way, which I did, but it's ultimately the same, but better. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and just a quick look at this new SkinCeuticals AGE Advanced Eye Cream, which I am in love with. I know you guys are too. And if you are in love with the old formula, you will love the new formula even more. So I will link it down below for you guys. Of course, it is found on skintruth.com. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. But thanks for hanging out. Don't forget to hit subscribe and the bell notification before you leave me today. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.